tell you about ReputationRestore.net. They're the guys taking down all those idiots online posting negative reviews about you and your business. So if you've got negative reviews that are showing up on Google thanks to morons living in mom's basement, hire ReputationRestore.net now. They're fast, affordable, and they'll do all the work for you. All you have to do is go to their website. They're at www.reputationrestore.net. They're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Again, that's www.reputationrestore.net. Whoa!